Hey everyone, so today I am going to show a quick tutorial on the website Quizlet. This is a really great interactive website that students can use and teachers can use to create study sets to help with studying for quizzes, midterms, and final exams. This is a really great website, especially for high school students and college students, and for teachers to create for their classrooms. So the first thing we're going to do is come into the Google search engine and type in Quizlet. In the search engine, or the first thing that should come up is Quizlet.com, and it's also known as Quizlet Learning Tools and Flashcards for Free. We're going to click that one and bring you to the home sign up page. So in the right hand corner, there is a sign up page. There's the sign up button and the login button. Sign up if you're new and log in if you have an existing account. You can either log in with Google, Facebook, or create your own account using your own email. I'm going to log in with Google and choose the account that I have previously created my account with. So this will bring you to the Quizlet homepage, which has a couple different options and viewing sites that you can look at, such as previous study sets that maybe you created or looked at before. For our purposes, we're going to go up to the top left-hand corner by the search engine bar and go to the Create button, which has mini flashcards with a plus sign on it. We're going to hit that, and it'll take us to a Create a New Study Set site. Here, it'll take you automatically to the title option, and what you're going to do is create your own study set, starting with the title. So we're going to call this Biology Study Set. We can also import Word, Excel, Google documents into this as well. So if you have the study set and you still want to add in a couple things like teachers do for their own classroom, you can do that as well. There's also a couple options on the right-hand corner right over here where my cursor is, and we can click on those. This is just making it so your study set can be visible to everyone, just certain classes, people with a password, or just yourself, and who can edit your study set as well, which is just certain classes, people with a password, and just yourself as well. I'm going to keep it visible to everyone and only be able to edit it myself, and I'm going to hit save. Here you can add in an image to create, such as a title page kind of format for your thing, so for your study set. So on the left hand and right hand sides, as you scroll down, you're going to see a term column and a definition column. The term column is where you'll put your terms, and you can either type them in or audio record them. Also on the definition side, you can either type them in as well, or you can audio record them as well. Or you can add images, and you can also auto-define. So if you have a term and you're not sure the definition, you can auto-define it if you wish. You can also choose a language from multiple different languages, such as English or Spanish, and you can choose that as your preference. Now, so let's say we want to start with our study set, and we choose a couple words, and then you can define them. Let's say biology and biotic. And let's say abiotic. So once you've selected a couple of your terms and you've defined them, you can scroll down, and if you have more than 5 terms or 5 definitions, you can click this Add Card button, and it'll provide you with more term and definition slots. So once you've created all the terms and definitions that you wish, you can either go up to the right-hand corner or the bottom left right-hand corner, the top or the bottom, and hit the Create. Hitting this will save your work and create your new study set. So it'll take you here, and you have a couple options with sharing your study set. You can copy the link, share it on Facebook, or share it on Twitter, or you can add it to a class folder if you've previously created one. For now, we're going to hit the X because we don't need to share it. And this site also has some great options as well. You can go back and edit it, you can share it, and you can also copy it, combine it with another set, and possibly delete it if need be. It'll have a list of your words and definitions right down below. And then you can also have some diagrams as well if you wish to put into your study set. You can have students practice labeling the human heart, or even yourself if you need it when you're studying. So there's a couple of different great options that Quizlet provides for studying. There is a study section and a play section here, as you can see. The study section has learn, flashcards, write, spell, and test. So the first one is learn, and this is where it quizzes you on your terms, and as you move on and on and on, it makes harder and harder terms from the ones that you've created, so you can get used to practicing those hard terms as well. There's also creative flashcards where they provide either the term or the definition on one side. You try to guess it, and then you can flip your card over to see if you're correct, just like you would be studying flashcards on your own at home. You can also have the writing option, which is you write or type out the term from the given definition that they provide for you. You can have the spell one, so you're going to hear the word or the definition, and then you have to spell out that definition or that word. Then there's also the testing option, and the testing option is kind of like a mini quiz where you can go through, and it has a format of a multiple question format where you can have like multiple choice, fill in the blank, matching, all different types of formats to help you study and prepare for your study set. Then there's also this great option of play where you can have a little bit more fun with practicing your study set that you've created. The matching one provides you with the definitions and with the terms, and with that one you can match them up to see if you're correct and you know your terms and your definitions. And lastly, there is this gravity game where it provides you with the term or the definition, and you have to either give the term or definition before an asteroid is coming at you and before your time runs out. So those are the main features of the study set, and hopefully that helped everyone. I hope that you continue to use this, and it's a really great interactive site for helping you study. So, thanks.